Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, share and subscribe. Now clearly, this is the only step left for Usain Bolt. After exposing the investment firm, Bolt then exposed the fact that he does not think the firm will be paying him back all of the money owed. Now, after being advised by his other financial advisors and his legal team, Bolt is saying that a lawsuit. Now the reason why Bolt is saying this is because certain amount of funds are covered by up to 1.5 in a bank is covered under that financial law. Meaning say if something happen, the bank have to pay you back the 1.5 there. Money over that, it's kind of different. Now there's been rumored that the bosses of SSL are worried that seeing that they have already put somebody forward and put the blame on that person, saying that Panton take the money, she take the money. Now that would be alright. But law enforcement that say, based on the amount of money taken and the complexity of the fraud, no one individual could have pulled this off. They're also stating that if somebody did a check up on these things, there's no way it could have gone unnoticed. $1 billion not just left a company and a company don't know about it. A Jamaican company. We're not talking about a company based overseas. A locally based company have $1 million move out of accounts and you don't realize. Usain Bolt's team is probably thinking the very same thing. Now Bolt has been putting out cryptic tweets, messages saying that the root of all evil, and that in a world of lies, where's the truth? I hear some people like them say, oh, Bolt have enough money. So what them say? Because Bolt have enough money where him set aside for retirement, him not care about it. Hard working money where him run for. Remember we know about getting money, you know? Not saying we know all in business dealings. Just saying that we know him is a sprinting legend. Whole heap of training, days of training, night training. And him do the right thing. I say him invest and set aside some money for a later date. I'm going to realize that this is going on. Now, there's also been rumored that international authorities have been for quite some time now looking into the finance of Jamaica's political members of parliament. Them say some prominent names are being investigated. And we talk a make saying that SSL is connected to the state. And that is why even though Bolt is a sprinting legend, we don't hear certain individuals who you'd expect if you talk about this, I talk about it. But talk to me in the comment section. You feel like this one woman take the $1 billion, one person do all of this by herself, no help? You feel like the big wigs didn't know about it? You feel like the boss them for the company knew about it? That's why people in the streets are speculate. I said this, obviously it was an inside job. She worked there. But not that she had the okay. Because this is where it that differ in the minds of some. Many individuals don't believe our boss them tell her to do this. Yeah, people don't believe say our boss them gave her this instructive. Say, what you know? Go do that. But some believe that even if the bigger heads became aware, so this is like one. If it was taking place and seemingly going unnoticed, some believe the money gets shared up right, then that is how it end up continuing for how long it did. And maybe so it reach $1 billion. But some people believe that if say one individual take the $1 billion and never fly out, them don't believe that's how it go. They believe more is at play that is not being shared. Clear the same thing Bolt feel. Majority of what take place right now on the media with the case itself are because Bolt so upset with the fact say them taking money that he might express himself through the media. And of course, hard-working Jamaicans sympathize with him. People who put in the work to feed them money, they must say, yeah man Bolt, we get what you say. To the point now, hardworking people are saying need to give back both in money. Now we also hear people are saying the Prime Minister himself, his finances are being looked into. It's not new to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has had his finances looked into before. When the Prime Minister hosted that bill, there was a whole controversy about the money, where the money come from. You know what I mean? Well, a whole controversy over the retainer wall. People were not even thinking about the cost of the house itself. But when people hear about the cost of the retainer wall and things of that nature, you know, it creates a whole controversy. And the Prime Minister's finances was looked into then. Recently, after winning that election, his finances were looked into again. They never find no discrepancies. They never find no form of discrepancies. And truth be told, despite what you think, after being audited, surprisingly, even though you have elected officials that North America says that they have had on a certain list for a number of years for individuals involved in certain type of activity, criminal in nature. We've never heard of any of these officials money being found to be illegal. It's a common thinking around the world. It's not just unique to the Caribbean, it's not unique to Jamaica, it's not unique to African countries, it's not unique to no specific country, North America, Canada, you name the countries across the world. It's not unique to no country. Most people feel that the leadership take the money of the country. That's never been found though. In Africa sometimes, there are elected officials with them find. So wait, where the money come from? And you know what I mean? And remember we're going over Haiti with Haiti's Prime Minister. But there has never been a situation that take place in Jamaica. Well, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about that. It been rumored that international authorities are looking into the finances of Jamaicans' political parliament members. Not just the party in power, you know. Parliament members across the board. What would I think? Because once I'm looking into one party, I'm going to look into the next. But clearly, both at first, both wanted the answers. For no one really go on. You know? Information start present itself to Bolt and him team. Then Bolt never like what him here. And take to social media. And I said, boy, I don't feel like the money I forward back. Never look good. Sprinting legend, invest in an investment firm in a country. And the money just gone. But is the firm even owned by Jamaicans? Would they ever really know? And keep in mind, we don't want this be a thing where people stop investing. Whatever they made that do as an investment firm, it did not work. The money did reach up to 9 million odd. So them did I invest the money and the investment then did I pay off. What happened is that the proceeds were taken. And with Jamaica being a developing country, we hope the people still see that only through investments we're going to see the economy uplift certain way. We need to do more investments in Jamaica though. Not just investment into investment firms. Investment firms invest right across the globe. You know what I mean? Not just any business venture we see profitable to them investing in startup companies or whatever the case may be across the world. So, you know, must be investment in Jamaica, can be investment in a different Caribbean country, whatever the case may be. So, I mean, that's why we need some more investment in Jamaica, though. We still need roads. If you can build these factories and build these places, we still need roads to get to them. Certain utilities and things of that nature. You know what I mean? But talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, just pass through the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. But so like and also make a share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section is open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason, again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, love, and prosper. And for to stay tuned